Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I am MelissaKay, and today I will be doing a quick review of this Easy Up director's chair. This is the tall version. They do have a more standard, I guess, or short version, but I have the tall version. I am a hair braider, stylist, and an MUA, so I am using this chair as a replacement chair. I had the older wooden version of the director's chair. I think I paid like $50 for it from like At Home, but this is the replacement for it, and I purchased this off of Amazon, and I will include a link to the chair in the description box. The chair came like right before I did this video, and I wanted to go ahead and do an unboxing of it. And the chair is very lightweight. I can basically lift it up with one hand. It comes, as you can see, it comes with its own carrying case. The description said that it holds about the maximum weight at 225 pounds. The chair weighs about 14 pounds and about 14.82 pounds. It's approximately, the seat height of the chair is approximately 31 inches. And the measurements are 48 wide, I'm assuming 48 by 12 by 7. Maybe the 48 is not the width. 48 would be the height of the chair. By 12 by 7. Okay, I'll figure that out because I don't know. Okay, so basically this is just me unwrapping the chair. And like I said, the chair is $99 and some change, which comes out to $100 and some odd with tax. I do have Amazon Prime, so it took a little longer than usual. It took probably about 3 days, which I'm used to stuff coming the next day or in 2 days, but yeah. So I have a bridal party that I will be doing makeup on in about 2 days. So I really needed to look at this chair and see what it was, to make sure it was exactly what I needed. And I love the chair. I do. Like I said, it's very lightweight and it's pretty sturdy. So you guys will see in a little bit. Okay, so right here I'm trying to get the chair to basically open up, and I was looking for like maybe a little the little paper that shows how to fold it out or whatever, but it came with absolutely nothing, just the chair wrapped in plastic. And so I was just trying to figure out how to open the chair, because you basically have to force it open, and I didn't want to, it was giving me some resistance, and I didn't want to break the chair. So that's why I was like kind of like taking it easy in case there was something that you needed to mash or press or whatever. But you really just have to bear down on it really hard in order for it to open. So I was like, well, you know what, I'm not gonna press it right now. I'm just gonna move on to the rest of the chair and check it out, and then I'll get back to trying to open it up. So it has these arm protector things cushions, whatever you want to call them, and that is like styrofoam. Those are very comfortable, very comfortable, unlike my other chair, which was wooden on the arms, and those were not comfortable, and it was wooden, so you couldn't. So in order to disinfect it, you would have to spray and then wipe the arms of the chair, which was wiping like the paint off the chair, so it was rough. And also you can not, that does not pull off. You have to basically unscrew those screws in order to get the protective the backrest off. But the backrest does have some Velcro, and inside you just pull the Velcro apart, and it has like a white styrofoam padding inside, so you probably would be able to put something thicker in there if the back was, you know, not as comfortable for you or whatever you're going to use it for. You can probably add some extra padding back there, which I might end up doing that, but I sat in the chair, it's comfortable, so I won't be doing that right now. But you know, sometimes as it wears and wears and wears, it might need some extra padding back there. But yeah, so now I'm back to trying to figure out how to fold this chair out. And I'm just trying to figure out how to fold it out. Yeah, so finally I get it, and I just have to basically press all my weight on it, and it snaps. So you'll know when you open it, it'll snap open. And the footrest it doesn't lock in place. It rests in this little cutout plastic foot thingy down there, and it just sits there. So I guess the pressure, the weight of your feet will like hold it in place. But it's very simple to open. After that, it's very, I mean, the only thing I would say too is that you would need to get some kind of rubber feet things to stick on the bottom of the yeah, okay, so right here I am about 5'8.5", 5'9". So the chair comes to my hip, the seat comes to my hip, and the top of the chair comes right under, you know, to my chest area. So, and it's a very wide chair. It's a very wide chair, and I think it's great for all sizes. You know, you don't have to, my other chair, my clients would kind of like have to squish into the chair, but this chair right here is very, very, it woggles a little bit, but as in the feet area, but the chair itself, the seat itself is very sturdy. And I'm standing up on this. I'm over 170, and I was completely standing up on the footrest, and it wasn't moving. So yeah, pretty comfortable. Like I said, I have to get the rubber feet to go under the legs to keep it from sliding on the floor. Unless you're on carpet, you may not have that problem, but if you got any kind of laminate flooring or anything, tiles or something, it's gonna slip. So this right here is basically the chair up close, an up close look of the chair and the footrest. Okay, so the first initial review and thoughts on the chair is I love it. I love the height, I love the sturdiness, I love the width, everything. I just need to get those plastic rubber feet things for the bottom, and that's it. So once again, thank you for checking out this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and have a blessed day. Bye.